Dora, tomorrow is your test. I hope you get an AOC. If you don't, you'll be grounded.
Ugh, whatever. Man, I don't want to do the test. How do I get out of the test? I have an idea. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm tomorrow. Ha 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 ha. But now, I need some sleep.
All right, class, take out your test.
Excuse me, Miss Martin.
Yes, Dora?
Can I go to the bathroom?
No, Dora, I don't trust you with doing something bad.
Please, it will be quick.
No, Dora.
Okay, I will go in here.
Ugh, okay, be back in 5 minutes.
Now, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Guys, we have to evacuate.
Attention everyone, this was a false fire alarm. Miss Martin and Dora, please come to my office.
What is it, Principal Jackie?
Dora pulled the fire alarm and there is proof. Here is my laptop.
So Dora, you asked to go to the bathroom and you pulled the fire alarm?
Yes, I am sorry.
Sorry isn't going to help because I will call your parents. Hello Dora's parents, this is Principal Jackie. Dora pulled the fire alarm. Can you pick her up? That sounds good. Bye, Dora. You're suspended for 1 month for that.
Dora, how do you pull the fire alarm?
That's it. You are grounded for 94636363628654877 years. Go to your room right now.
And as for your punishment, I'm changing your voice to Keller.
Wait, what? What? Hey!
Now go to your room right now.
What? Hey!